Well, another name for a riff is a repeated pattern. Let's play some beautiful riffs right now and check out two really easy patterns for F, A, D, and E, otherwise fade. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Today we're up to making a 4-note beautiful riff in our series. So let's check out fade and start with it here in our right hand, F, A, D, E. And we might add some bass notes emulating Max Richter's beautiful harmonies and kind of lingering sounds that he creates in the music in Invasion. So we'll start with a D bass, octaves here, under our 4 notes of fade. Now to the Fs. B flat. All again. Well, I just wanted to add some bonus material for you for F, A, D, E, and I'll put that in at the end of this video, so check that out too. Let's change up the rhythms now and put a little triplet figure here. So instead of groups of 4, so F, A, D, E, let's accent every 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be leaning on the F, the E, D, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. D again. Let's extend this pattern by now coming down from our outside notes. Let's step down our E and our D and back up again. So just check that your arm's nice and loose there and that you're able to swing back and forwards here. And let's pop it over our D again in our left hand. Here we go. So if we want to combine that into a polyrhythm now, what we could do is have our 3s in our right hand and a 2-beat pattern in our left hand. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and just keep that bubbling up and down over the top and think about your right hand rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. F now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. When I checked over the material, I'd come around to a similar pattern that I had for a previous video. So I just like to add an extension on of our F, A, D, E, F, And let's add a little higher over melody just to have a little bit of a contrast as well with our riff today. So F, A, D, E, F, A, D, add this F over the top, A, D, E. So to each of our one patterns here on this F, we can add a slow F, A, D, E over the top. So F, A, D, E, keep going maybe, F, A, D, E, F. Then we could also contrast it with dropping our left hand down as we go and spelling out F, A, D, E, F, A, D, E, something like that. All the time under this little repetitive riff in our right hand. Here we go. F's, A, D, E, F, down to A, down to D. And then we might finish on our low D there. So let's do that all in a little run. So F's together, matching this F note up here. So F, so beautiful. Have a go and let me know how you go in the comments. Check out some more videos. If you'd really love to do some more arpeggios, I've included the playlist up here as well. So happy music making. Have a great week. Ta-da.